Hi guys, welcome back. So you've probably just seen the unboxing video of this beauty here. This is the Montaigne in the size. I should have maybe gone into a bit more detail, but I'm still on a high from just unboxing this bag, so there's probably a lot of details I've missed out. But I just wanted to add another video on what fits into this bag at the moment. I've just had a couple minutes to just put all my essentials, which is all here, into this bag just to see how it all fits, because I've ordered this straight from the LV website, so I've not had a chance to actually see where my stuff fits in it. And so I am quite pleased with the results actually, so I'm just going to show you guys how everything fits in here. So this is also my first video filming on my phone, so I do apologize if it's extremely shaky, but yeah, let's just get started. So as you can see, I have the bag here, and I'm probably going to put my Emily wallet in here first, so that obviously fits nicely. And actually I'm going to turn the bag around, and I'm going to put my pochette inside on the other side, my key pouch. I probably want it in a separate pocket from everything else just so it's easier to grab. I'll probably have my hand gel or something in one of these pockets, or maybe a pen. Some tissues, and what I'm really pleased about is the fact that I can fit a 500ml bottle into this bag. I might just show you, and it doesn't stick out or anything. As you can see, it's perfect. If I had an umbrella, I can probably pop that in there as well, because as you can see, I actually have a lot of space down here. So I can probably put my face masks and gloves in here as well, my sunglasses case. So yeah, that's what I'm carrying at the moment, just in case you guys are wondering how much you can fit or not, but you can probably fit another small umbrella into here. I'm just going to show you guys whether I can fit a full-sized wallet into this middle compartment here, and the zipper is super smooth, sorry. And yeah, so I'm just going to take out, oh no, okay, I've taken the lock out. So it is a bit of a tight fit. I think I've seen some, oh, there we go. But as you can see, it is a tight fit, and if you are in a rush, I'll probably won't put that in there unless you have a smaller wallet. But I am quite pleased with this little pocket here, just for some added security. If I was to travel with this bag, obviously it's open top, so maybe not, but if you had a smaller wallet and a passport or something, you can probably keep this here. And what happens is if you zip this up, this hole here actually goes over this little, I can't do it with one hand, there we go, don't know if you can see, but it goes over like this, and you just put the lock through the little hole at the side and lock it down, so that pocket is pretty secure. By the way, I did in my unboxing video, I was really confused as to where the key was, as there was only the actual padlock in the small bag that the padlock comes in, and I couldn't see the keys, and I thought for a second that they didn't send me any keys, but I was being an idiot because obviously the keys are here in this clochette. So yeah, I had a wee blonde moment there. What else should I say? I think, oh yeah, the date code as well. The date code would be, you probably can't see, but that little wee tab there, and I think it was made on the 50th week of 2019, so it is 6-month-old bag. I was expecting it to be like a year 2020 bag, but I suppose this bag isn't as popular as I thought it would be. It is, I think it's quite underrated bag, but I don't think it's as popular, so it is a 6-month-old bag. It's not even that old, but I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but it is my new baby at the moment, and I am super chuffed with it. The size on me looks great, as you've probably seen from modelling pictures on my in my unboxing video. So I'm probably going to leave out by the window, so the kettle leather, it's like so pale right now, so just wanted to darken a little bit just so it's not as, I guess, more prone to water spots. But yeah, if you guys have any more questions about this bag, feel free to leave some comments down below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.